Hello, welcome to another very special edition of How to Do X and Y. Today we are going to build out a Rails backend using Postgres and no auth. So just RESTful, no authentication. Rails new, we'll call it Main Street Value Demo. I have had some issues and then do a dash dash API like so. I've had some issues like something weird with Rails of not recognizing SQLite. We are going to convert to Postgres, but call it a little bit different and then CD into that. So it's just the name of the API that you want and then dash dash API. And then we'll do Rails G scaffold it like so and call it a business and have owner name, all these be strings, business name, business address, like so, business phone, email, website, and industry. Okay, so that did create, you want to do singular there, and created that just fine, which is good. I've had a lot of issues lately with something going on, but business is going to be connected to financials, or the financials are going to belong to the businesses. So financial, and again, you want it singular, and we'll have year. We'll make all these strings for now. Kind of get a little lengthy, but it'll be worth it. Sales revenue, advertising, COGS, play benefits, and I'll show you these will be strings for now, but then we can create it into a an integer after we do this. Salaries, software, travel, utilities, the website, other expense, interest, taxes, amortization, and depreciation. And then this is the key part where we'll have business singular colon references. So, okay, that's good there. Now we can open up our code here and go into the schema. Here's our migration. We'll have strings like that, and then change all of these like this to integer, like so. And before we migrate or anything, we'll want to get this into here like that of Postgres, and also delete the comment like so. And then bring in a couple more gems. I don't think that we'll need all of these, but good to have. The Figaro one right now is the one that's most important, but we'll do a bundle update here. And then bundle install, like so. There should be 16, but should be okay, hopefully. And over next, look up the Figaro gem documentation and run this command here, which creates a application.yaml file right here. And in here, in our config, oh, that's why there wasn't 16. It's because I didn't uncomment. Now we have 16, and that's good. And also, might as well in here uncomment this. and change that to everything with an asterisk and those. Okay, and that, so that Figaro command that we ran right there a little bit ago, exec Figaro install created this password here, and we can do a key value pair and do your password right there. I'm going to move this over to the other screen, but you just type in your Postgres password there. And then in the database.yaml file, all of this right now is still SQLite. So we are going to do, I have a file right here that we can copy right there. Erase everything about SQLite, but then do call this. So we have adapter Postgres, fetch the next threads, timeout 5000, username Postgres, that PG password references that environment variable in this file, and we can do this as our, we'll call it main street value demo, I think we called it, just so it matches the name of the API there. And then we can get PG admin going up again to create the database. And type in the password here. Kick off the server here. There we go. Create, and we'll just call it the same that we did there, right here. And that will copy in there. Main street value dev right there, good, okay. And that matches main street, our database right there. When we push up to Heroku and everything, that will stay in a Heroku database. Still Postgres, but now I think, so we have our migrate. Let's try to run a migration now. Rails DB migrate. Oh, first, let me do in our models. Models, yeah, so here, financial belongs to business, and it has many financials, I think, like so. Yes. That connects that to that, and then we have the financials like that, and then our controllers are pretty much all defined already, which is nice. That scaffold command creates a lot of code that is able to be skipped, which is always good. And then now I'll try Rails DB migrate. Let's see what we got. It did migrate both tables, so that is good. And we can go into our seed file here. And I have something that I can just copy in from a different file over here. It gives us all of our seeds, get rid of the examples and like that. And the business, the financial comes first of destroying it because that's the join, and then the business comes next. If we ever reseed, and this will be service revenue. Like so, all integers, year is a string, and then all the business fields are string. We can save that and try a Rails DB seed. Nice. So no errors, that's good. And we can go do Rails C now and just do business.all and financial.all. And that looks good. And now we can do Rails S to start the server and go to localhost /3000. We're on Rails now, and we should be able to hit that business endpoint right there. That looks good. And then financials. That also looks good. And it's connected to the business ID, like so. So there you have it. That should be it. That was pretty quick. I was doing a couple of trial runs, and that's all I want to do. So thanks for joining me. I'll put the GitHub repo in the link. Thanks again.